Welcome to another episode, guys. So we are currently at Edith Falls.
Oh, 10 out of 10, Mum. Join us this week as we adventure in and around Katherine in the Northern Territory. We have runaway kids. We check out some natural wonders, and we end up here at this iconic Outback Pub. That was the same I was talking about before. You gonna put yours up there?
No, I don't have many left. Yeah, you have a good life, don't you? Finny. Finny, you have a good life, don't you? So we are currently at Edith Falls, just outside of Katherine. 2k return walk apparently. There's a lower pool and an upper pool.
We're going to the upper pool.
Yeah, we're going to do it.
Because we're super fit. Young Finny's legs are just the right length now that when he's walk or we jump over a rock, they hit me square in the nads. Thanks, Finny.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. Apparently it's about 20 minutes uphill and then 10 minutes downhill. So I'm looking forward to the downhill.
Evan, there's a lot of good to say about downhill tracks. Lennox couldn't wait, but this is Edith Falls. Upper pool.
Edith Falls is located 60 k's north of Katherine, along the Stewart Highway.
Go big girl.
You can enjoy swimming at the base of the falls most of the year.
Oh, 10 out of 10, Mum.
The 2.6k walk to the upper pools gets you to this. Being a little bit harder to get to, it means that you're sharing this magical spot with a few less people.
If you do come to a spot like this, watch out for the misses. You get too close to her with a dive and they kick you right in the head. Look, instant replay. So we're back down at the car park. We're not going to do the lower pools this time because we've just had like the upper pools are pretty awesome. So we're going to go back and we'll show you where we're staying tonight, which is a pretty cool little spot.
But you can stay here. You can stay here and book online via the National Parks website. But make sure when you book, you have a look at the sizing of each slide.
Yeah, there's some really small ones and then some big ones if you've got a caravan. So this is it, Katherine Farm stay we're staying at, and they feed animals at 4 o'clock, so we'll take you to watch that later. But we're in the unpowered section, and it's hot, it's like 38 degrees. But look, it's us. 25 bucks a night, it's like 10 minutes out of Katherine. It's near Edith Falls and obviously the Katherine Hot Springs, which we're doing tomorrow. But yeah, not a bad spot at all.
Animal feeding, 4:30, so we're off.
If you don't know our youngest boy, Finley, he absolutely loves animals. So much so that he took a run without permission through the buffalo enclosure.
Naughty Vinny.
Lennox, on the other hand, is not so good with animals.
She hold him.
Look, Finny.
Hold out your hand, baby.
Finny, that's for the donkey, mate. Not for Finny. It's a big ass. Finny, you're going to look like one of those soon, mate, if you keep eating carrots. What are you doing?
You give it to the cows.
You gotta give it to the carrots, Finny.
Yay! What an experience for the kids, hey?
Yeah, it is pretty cool. And they feed them every day at 4:30.
Yeah.
You like the animals, don't you? And if you got little kids like Finny that love eating stuff, then
you can feed them there.
The animals, yeah.
Feed them at 4:30.
Free dinner. You going for a tractor ride, Lennox?
Good morning, guys. So, as you are aware, the last couple of weeks we've been to water holes and swimming holes which have been cold. Lennox is not a fan of the cold water. However, today, what are we doing today? Where are we going now?
Hopping.
A hot spring, yay! Oh God. Owen, you always go the wrong way, bud. See ya.
Finley.
Bye, Finny. Bye. Love you.
Have a go at this little oasis. So it's like a little stream. You can float down little ponds, little sections, stairs getting in and everything. Didn't take. Is it too cold? Is it warm, Lennox?
So this place is a must if you're coming through Katherine. Super easy to get to, heaps of parking. There's even a cafe up the top. But yeah, super easy, no issue at all.
And you can, it's like a little bit of a river, so you can pick your own little spot where there's no people, so it's not really crowded, even if there's a few people here.
Yeah, we've come early, so I don't know what it's like later on. But yeah, if you want to beat the crowd, come early. But yeah, top spot. One of our faves now, actually.
Yeah, they're the hot springs. I reckon this is probably the best.
Yeah, wow. Super exciting. Guess what we're doing?
Nothing.
We're doing a lot of nothing.
The hose ain't working. We've got pressure problems.
Oh no. We've got some issues, big fella.
Stream ain't steady, that's for sure.
I better quickly get out of my nice little play suit and get into something that can get wet. A big job is an understatement. If you've ever dealt with the red dirt, you'll know what we're talking about. Thanks so much. Finny, are you helping?
Ah! Get in, Mum! He's filthy, he needs a wash. And him. Oh.
Oh my God, I think that's one of 10 washes.
Elenya's missed a few spots on the van.
Do you know what? It's going to take about 10 cleans to actually get it like tip top. The red dust is unbelievable.
Just gets everywhere, and it's like I'll show you the canopy on the car. Like
cleaning with kids is another effort.
Yeah, it is. Like it's still dirty, and I scrubbed that. Scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed. It's going to take, yeah, as Elenya said, a few goes. But the boys have made themselves right at home here. Finny's found the biggest stick he can carry. Get there. Oh, Jesus. Stay away from the car and the van. But the reason why we washed it was to get some photos to put it up for sale. So if anyone wants a caravan that's never been off-road, message us.
You loser.
Oh,
I think it's my job now.
You're on the waving duties.
Do I do the 2 fingers, the 1 finger, the whole thing?
I don't know, you got to find your own groove.
Oh, let's have a look. Let's see how we go. There was the one.
Only the 1 finger.
Only the one. I'll try a 2. No, that feels weird. I think I've got it down pat. 1 finger it is.
It's hard being the driver, isn't it? All the waving you got to do.
You got to be nice to people, eh? This is the iconic Daly Waters Pub, located along the Stewart Highway just south of Mataranka in the Northern Territory. There's so much to see. You can have an awesome pub feed or drink. You can camp right next to the pub and look at all the history, as well as enjoying the night entertainment.
Get him, Finny. Get him. Lennox, you and Finley are a pain in the... You gonna put yours up there?
No, I don't have many left.
She's a good one.
Oh, good boy! This is sick. It's so funny, actually. You see the KFC bucket, the chicken pen. Nick loves a good KFC. What do you reckon of the Daly Waters Pub?
Yeah, it's cool. It's different. Yeah. Yeah, you got to stop in here on your way through if you're coming up, going up to Darwin or wherever.
And the reason why we're travelling Australia is to find all the parks. And this has a park. So $24 a night for unpowered. Not bad.
Now, it's 5:30 and just put the kids to bed and I'm trying to find... Oh, there you are. I'm very, very hungry.
You sound like Lennox,
And-
very, very hungry.
Yeah, and you haven't done a cooking segment this episode, so what are you doing?
Well, I'll have a think. Give me 2 minutes.
She's getting lazier in old age. How old are you?
Younger than you.
Do you know
No,
what
it's
you're
not.
getting out of the fridge or what?
I'm just having a think.
And look, our fridge is actually full. You don't say that very often. Tick, 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 tick.
I think I'm ready. Prepare to be amazed. We got some Turkish bread. We've got some butter, avocado, tomato, onion, feta, balsamic vinegar. I am going to cook you up some homemade bruschetta.
Yum.
Alright, don't think about it too much, just chop it all up. Nick.
Oh, come on, chop an onion, I dare you.
hate chopping
Chop an onion.
I hate it.
No way.
What?
This is a first for you.
I hate it. Look at look at this.
Let me smell your fingers.
No.
Come
Ew,
on.
that's so weird.
Onion fingers.
I'll be smelling this all night. My sense of smell is heightened too, you know.
Oh, because you're
Did
pregnant.
you know that?
Elenya has has a lot of excuses lately.
Oh, I do not.
Because she's pregnant.
No, Nick's annoying me today.
Everyone forgets about the bloke in pregnancies, I reckon. Back to a cooking segment.
This is so forever. I'm so over this. I have a lot of patience.
Do you
But
though?
it's wearing thin right now.
I don't know if you have a lot of patience. Oh, cutting Elenya. This is what she turns into without a packet mix. An animal.
Scrape into a bowl. Avo.
Concentration face. It's 50-50 whether you cut yourself doing an avo, isn't it?
And to be able to concentrate properly, you've got to put the tongue out.
Hmm. Interesting.
Right. Oh, look at that.
Get that green goodness in the bowl, eh?
This is Elenya's cooking show. I don't need behind the camera stuff from you, thanks. Commentary.
All the blokes must get this, eh? Like when, you've had a few kids,
poor
you're pretty
bloke.
well rendered useless. Get kicked to the curb.
You're good for other things like driving the van.
Yeah, that's all I'm here for, to drive the van.
And make babies, but we're done making babies. Trade you in for a new man, eh? Didn't find that funny?
I don't know if he'd be able to deal with you.
Okay, olive oil. Get your Turkish bread. You got to put it in your pan with the oil. Do not burn it. Elenya.
Oh, have a go at that, Elenya. You didn't burn it.
Best dinner yet. No packet mix, and it wasn't burnt. Yeah, healthy butter on. Stack her up. You're a spoilt brat.
What?
Having a complaint that didn't put much sauce on there.
I like a little extra sauce on mine. Spoiled brat. I'm giving you a bad review.
Yeah, sit on your chair.
Better steal Lennox's because mine's broken.
Like having taste, big fella.
Oh, terrible. Pretty good.
Out of 10.
8.
I am missing the packet mix, not gonna lie, but this is a hit. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next week. You don't see this much?
Oh.
How is it?
It's good. What do you mean I don't do it much?